What's up, Texas Muscle 713 here. About to do another mod. This is another Puddle light mod, but this time for the charger. The last one had said Challenger on the ground, whatever. These says Charger. I don't know if it's the same company, but it's here. I will leave a link in the description. I want to say this was maybe 25 or something like that. So this is one. Okay, usually they'll have what side it is. Okay, this one doesn't say which side is which, so I guess I'm gonna have to play the guessing game, huh? All right, great. But this is it. And like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. What it says, Shadow Light 3D. I guess out in China or something like that, but let's go ahead and get into the install, man. All right, so I'm just gonna install one side just to show you guys and go for both sides. So first just gotta part this piece out. So easy like that. Okay, unhook it. Should be a little lever. All right. Now, it's crazy this thing doesn't say which side is which. Remember on the last ones it did, so. Okay, we're just gonna have to play the guessing game. So, let's see. All right, let's see. All right, got the right side. Look, first bite. No, I got it. So it went on, show you guys in a little bit after, because it has too much sunlight. So I'm gonna go in there and close the garage and I'll show you guys the finished product, man. No, it's not the best shot. My wife's SUV is in the garage, so I can't open my door all the way, but you get the gist of it, man. You know, it comes out. And plus the garage light won't go out, whatever it takes, it's on the timer, so. But you get the gist of it, man. I mean, it says Charger. Now I have a pic in the thumbnail to be a picture of how it really should look. All right, man. Till next time. Peace.